Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. We're doing a chart analysis on Great British Pound USD. I'm looking at a 6 hour time chart, so each candle represents 6 hours. And what you're seeing here is I've noticed that it could be possibly be a ascending triangle pattern. So right now the market is currently at 37.40, so I do expect it to run up to 1.38 resistance level. As you can see, it was this old resistance level here, old support here. There's a resistance here, and there's the resistance here, and there was the high. So right now, the market's coming off a bearish trend here, right? And that's since May. This is May. So it's been trending down since May. And a nice momentum move to the upside, and it rallied up and declined to the downside again. And we have a level. We have two touches here. Also, we have a third touch here. So that's making this bottom flat down to the bottom here. As it creates the lower highs, and there's another lower high there. Now we have an oscillating pattern showing here. So I'm expecting it to continue to oscillate here, oscillate smaller, and end up breaking out to the downside. So right now there's news coming out tomorrow. So I think this market's going to continue to move up to the upside. And when the news come out tomorrow, it should push the market either. If this pattern is a true ascending triangle pattern, it should stay within the confines of this trend. Okay, just got alert on this Great British Pound GPY. I'll take a look at that in a moment. But if it doesn't break this trend line, then a pattern will continue. If it will continue to be this pattern. If it breaks the trend line, it could move a little higher here and create the oscillation a little bit higher. That's why you go back and make the adjustments, and you reassess and you reexamine and see whether this pattern is going to be intact. But let's go over the pattern and tell you what this pattern really shows you. Excuse me, this is a descending triangle pattern. Sorry. So a descending triangle pattern is a bearish chart pattern used in technical analysis that is created by drawing one trend line that connects a series of lower highs and a second horizontal trend line that connects the series of lows. All right, you can go over that and see what that says. All right, let's just go to the diagram here. So normally it comes off a bearish move to the downside. It carries the first higher low. It comes back down and it continues to see it low. Take a look at the bottom. Notice it's flat down to the bottom. All right, so that'll be your resistance level and also your support level as well. So as you see, as it oscillates up and down here, and then you see there's the entry point here, and you have to take profits down to the downside. Another diagram of it. So we know this is consolidation. We have descending upper trend line, and we have the flat lower trend line. We have those examples on the chart. We have those characteristics of this on this chart already. So we're looking at a descending triangle pattern, and a possible entry here will be here at 35.50, and the exit will be at 33.72. So we're looking at about 200 pips down to the downside, and another great entry if it plays out and it really goes up here and create a lower high, it could start coming down. That'll be a great entry if you can pull that off. If you pull the trigger on that. So that's my analysis on Great British Pound USD. Alex Jenkins checking out.